Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to simply show you on how to safeguard your phone and stop Google from sharing your phone number in order to block any spam calls or spam messages from this set of people on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do on your Android phone settings, what you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on settings right here. Then I'll get into your phone settings. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down until you get to Google. So click on Google. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on all services. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down until you see phone number sharing. Click on that. That's going to take you right here. What you need to do right here, as you can see, allow Google to show you a screen that lets you choose a phone number to share when a third-party app requests your phone number. What you need to do is to simply turn off this button right here. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got fun for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.